Hello all. In this video, I would like to talk on a recent published notice issued by UGC regarding the blended learning and teaching methods. So, which was released on 20th May 2021. So here is the notification. The University Grant Commission, in its 547th meeting held on 29th May 2020, discussed the blending mode of teaching. It was decided that higher education institutions should be allowed to teach up to 40% of syllabus of each course other than SWAYAM course through online mode, and the remaining 60% syllabus of the concerned courses could be taught in offline mode. So it means that apart from the SWAYAM, the student can take up to if at all 10 subjects, 4 subjects he can choose from the online courses, right? And then the remaining 60% it can be taught face-to-face mode, which is on campus. So examination for this, both 40% online and 60% offline teaching, can be conducted offline. This provision may be created over and above up to 40% of online education permissible for SWAYAM courses. Examination for SWAYAM courses are essentially conducted in online mode. To prepare a concept note on blended mode of teaching, the UGC constituted an expert committee. So here is the whatever the concept note which was prepared by the committee, which was constituted by the UGC, so which is 48 pages note. So these are the chapters which are included in this concept note, right? There are many ways like background, blended learning, theoretical background, so which are the ICT tools and initiatives and implementations of blended learning, and how to assess and evaluate, and then suggested framework for blended learning. So these are things which was mentioned in this concept note. So if you are interested,